Friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see advantages and disadvantages of TV. Television is one of the most common sources of entertainment and information in our daily life. It has many benefits, but it also has some drawbacks. Let's look at both the advantages and disadvantages of TV. Advantages of television. First, entertainment. TV provides a variety of programs, including movies, music, cartoons, and sports, making it a great source of fun and relaxation. 2. 2. Education. Educational channels like Discovery and National Geographic help people learn about science, history, and nature. 3. News and information. Television keeps us updated with current events from around the world. 4. Live events. People can watch live sports award shows and important speeches without being there in person. 5th, advertisement. TV help businesses promote their products, creating job opportunities and boosting the economy. Disadvantages of television. First, health problems. Watching too much TV can cause eye strain, obesity, and sleep issues. 2. Time wasting. People may spend too much time watching TV instead of studying or working. 3. Violence and inappropriate content. Some TV shows contain violence or harmful content that can negatively affect children. 4. Misinformation. Some news channels spread false or based information leading to misunderstandings. 5. Less social interaction. Watching too much TV can reduce family time and social activities. Conclusion. Television has both advantages and disadvantages. It provides entertainment, education, and news, but too much TV can be harmful. To enjoy its benefits, we should watch TV in moderation and choose good programs. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.